Tapos meron lang isang paragraph doon na may komentaryo na some have the opinion na sufficient si RA 6735. Pirmado lang naman ng clerk of the court yun. Yung isa, yung una, yung defensor case, pirmado ng justices. Yung main opinion sa Lambino, pirmado ng justices. Ang gagamitin ng COMELEC sa atin is pirmado ng clerk of court. One paragraph lang, hindi pa niya in-identify sino yung 10 justices na yon. I mean, alam na ng COMELEC dapat yan. That's very basic na, that is not precedent which, if it is precedent and if it is binding nature, ang binding nature lang nung minute resolution na yon, yung parties lang involved sa kaso, not us, the general public. Yes, they cannot use 6735. There's no law.